86 Cutlass. With the door locks and alarm and trunk popper installed. Latch sticks. Spray some more WD-40 on it for him. Did clean the trunk out. Can't see most of it. Literally sprayed the floorboard out with a hose pipe. Dried it all off. Put this weather stripping on it for now. I can remove easily for the painter later. Shave that, I assume. Yeah. And all the wiring straightened out under the dash. He's got some tack wiring he added that I didn't really fool with. Told him we can get around to all that when we take the dash out for the interior. We removed everything that was unnecessary and cleaned up quite a bit. And he was having a problem with it not starting from the key, so I straightened all that out. He was having to go under the hood and hit the starter wire. Alright, so he's ready for paint, and I peeked under his floor. I was going to pull all this out, but he's got rust issues too, so I'll have to have the floor, some holes fixed. Alright. Undercoating too, it's not a bad idea after you have those holes fixed in these floors. I had a tooth pulled, so excuse my speech. Alright guys, I'll be back with the Impala and Monte Carlo videos next. Well, I've got some old footage I'm going to upload next too. I have a Nissan Titan and got my model car together, so I'm going to show that. You guys have a blessed one. Peace.